Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this hair color blind rank filter on TikTok. So this is the filter. To get this filter on TikTok, what you have to do, just go to the effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, you will see this image. This is the filter. If you can't see the filter here, then what you can do, tap on the search button and search for color. Yeah, the first one, hair color blind rank. Tap on it. Okay, you got the filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery. What you can do, go to your For You page and go to search. Here search for hair color blind ranking. Okay, you will see many videos with this effect. Just tap on any. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the video, you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect. Likewise. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from your For You page, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video. Okay, let's try this one. I think better you go for 10 minutes because I don't know if you can finish in 60 seconds. So better go with 10 minutes. Let's see what color are there. I don't like this much. Okay, let's keep this in 4. 7. Blue. Okay, 5. Brown. Okay, let's put 3. Ginger. Ginger, let's put in 2. Dark, put in 1. This one I like more than 2, 3 and 4, but I don't have space there. Let's put in 6.